expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Hebrew ebook before it's gone.
חצוצרה, trumpet. חצוצרה, trumpet. הייתי רוצה לנגן בחצוצרה. I would like to play the trumpet. לצחצח, to brush. חשוב מאוד לצחצח שיניים פעמיים ביום. It is very important to brush your teeth twice a day. Ding. צריכים, must, need. צריכים, must. צריכים is the word must, but in the plural masculine version of this word. הם צריכים, they must, they need. For example, הם צריכים לעזוב את המסיבה המוקדם. They must leave the party early. They must or they need to, or they have to. חתיכה, piece. חתיכה, piece. It's not like these are not tongue twisters, it's for people who can't pronounce ח. אפשר לקבל חתיכת עוגה בבקשה? Can I have a piece of cake, please? מנצנץ, sparkling. I love this word, מנצנץ, sparkling. Yeah, I love this lesson. These are really fun words. It's fun to say, try it. Come on. Nice. For example, השרשרת שלי מנצנצת. My necklace is sparkly. It's not really, but just, use your imagination. פעלולים, special effects. פעלולים, but it's more fun saying it fast, פעלולים. So usually like a stuntman will be called פעלולן. Now that I'm saying it over and over again, I'm like, is this a real word? I'm not sure all of a sudden, but it is. Wow. מי היה אחראי על הפעלולים בסרט הזה? Whoa, who was in charge of the special effects in this movie? שפשוף, rub. This is a noun. The verb will be לשפשף. אם נשפך לכם יין אדום על השטיח, תשפשפו אותו במלח. If you spilled red wine on your carpet, rub it with salt. Someone told me about this method. I did not check it, so I don't really know. לצחקק, to giggle. לצחקק, to giggle. That's a wonderful word. To laugh is לצחוק. So this is like the smaller version of it, לצחקק. And the noun version is צחקוק. צחקוקים, in plural. הם לא הפסיקו לצחקק בזמן שדיברתי. They wouldn't stop giggling while I was talking. How rude. מחצלת, mat. מחצלת, mat. כשאתם הולכים לים, אל תשכחו לקחת מחצלת. When you go to the beach, don't forget to take a mat. שרוכים, shoelaces. שרוכים, shoelaces. באיזה גיל למדתם לקשור את השרוכים? What age did you learn to tie your own shoelaces? שפה, language. שפה also means a lip. And another word for language in Hebrew is לשון, which also means tongue. איזו שפה את רוצה ללמוד? What language do you want to learn? גדול, awesome. גדול, awesome. גדול literally means big or large, but you say it as awesome, yeah, גדול. איך היה בהופעה? היה גדול. How was the show? Awesome. It was awesome. ביס, bite. A very useful word is the word ביס, which means a bite. אפשר לקבל ביס מהפלאפל שלך? Can I have a bite of your falafel? Be generous. Give people a bite of your falafel. חירות, freedom. Freedom has two words, חופש and חירות. You can use the word חופש for a vacation from school, but חירות is a much bigger word. And you can hear it a lot in Pesach, in Passover, in the term לצאת מעבדות לחירות, to go from slavery to freedom. Shalom, peace. Shalom means peace. It can be used as hello, and it is used mostly as hello. When I was a little girl, there was a famous children's song named Shalom hi mila shimushit. Shalom is a useful word, which is nice. ילד, child. How many children do you have? כמה ילדים יש לך? עולם, world. אני חולמת לעשות טיול מסביב לעולם. I dream of going on a trip around the world. Finance me. שבוע, week. אני יוצאת לחופשה של שבוע. I'm going on a 1-week vacation. משפחה, family. יש לה משפחה גדולה. She has a big family. אינטרנט, internet. סבתא שלי בדיוק למדה לגלוש באינטרנט. My grandmother just learned to surf the internet. You go, Grandma! Hi! Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching Top 25 Hebrew Nouns, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye! That's kind of something my grandma would say. Who chose these words? Never had any complaints yet.